Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to report an accident to Progressive Insurance. If you have been in a car accident and need to report it, don't panic. First thing first, check your injuries. If anyone is hurt, call 911 immediately. Move to safe area if possible and turn on your hazard light. Before reporting the accident, collect the photo of the damage, the accident location or the driver's name and insurance information, police report number if police responded. This will help your claim go faster. The faster way is through the Progressive mobile app. Open the mobile app, tap claim, then tap report an accident, answer the questions and upload photos. You can save your progress and come back if needed. You can also report an accident by logging in Progressive website and selecting file a claim. You can also call Progressive claim number available 24/7. Choose whichever option is easiest for you. After reporting, Progressive assigns a claim adjuster. You can track, update, message and repair option in the app or online. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.